Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be working on my chine logs and shear clamps, making small pieces of wood into long pieces of wood. This is the scarf jig. Take the piece of wood. Now, these 1x3s bend quite a bit, so you want to go with the bow. This one bows out, so I'm going to go this way. If it didn't, I would just cut on the other side. So I put this in the first hold, to hold that on there. I got one way on this indentation, I hold there, and I have a middle hole. Make sure it's flush on the bottom. Yep. And okay, we're going to go ahead and cut now. Now when you do this, you can either turn the machine off, then take the piece off, or you can slide it up to take it off. I've been turning the machine off just to make sure there's nothing going haywire. Take off your clamps. Put the jig over there. And there's my beautiful scarf right there. So what I have so far is I have 3 1x3s by 12s, and I have 3 of them, so 12, 24, 36 foot long, and I already scarfed them in the middle, so the middle 12 foot long one is scarfed on 2 ends, and the outside ones are scarfed on 1 end. So what I'm going to do is line them up as well as I can. I'm going to thumbtack them together and glue them. Not glue them and screw them. Glue them and tack them this time. So let's get started. Okay, so I mixed my, my glue with resin and hardener, and now I'm going to put some on here. Oops. And I should have got a stick to spread it out, but I'm going to put some on each one. So I measure it so it's just about right, and then once I do that, I'm going to put it against this one to make sure it's straight. Oops. Okay, so that's fairly straight, and then I'm going to take a couple thumbtacks and put them in just to make sure they're lined up properly. Those will come out later. And that should hold it in place for now. Okay. And all I got left to do is to get a couple clamps on there somehow. And I'm going to do that to each one of them. Oops, I got my glove stuck in there. How far is that going? Right about there. Oops. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You can see it's oozing out, so I know it's made a good seal.
Oh, that stuff stinks.
And I'm going to do that with the other ones. So, I'll get to it and I'll show you the end product. So I got them all glued up and ready to go. I just have to wait for them to dry, probably late tonight or early tomorrow, and they can go on the boat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.